Hi there, it's me, Ramona, your friendly neighborhood welcome Scotty, and today we're going to be exploring your Agnes Scott admission portal. Once you logged in, there are a lot of ways that you can use your portal as you complete your application and get to know Agnes Scott. The first is to connect with your admission counselor. You can see who your admission counselor is and find more information on how to email, text, or call them with any questions you have. And if you have more than one question, no problem. Just click this link to sign up for a one-on-one chat at a time that works for you. There's also a lot of other helpful information on this page, like the chance to create a customized viewbook with information about Agnes Scott and, of course, the admission Instagram page. If you're lucky, you might even see a photo of me every now and then. Another important part of your admission portal is the application page. This is where you're going to keep track of your application and make sure that the admission office has received everything they need in order to review your application for admission. Your application checklist will let you know which pieces of your application have been received and what's still missing. Remember, this checklist is individualized to you, and if you have questions or notice something is missing, just click over here to reach out to your admission counselor. And if applications have you stressed out, you can always take a quick puppy break. Spoiler, you're gonna want to see this. If you scroll down a little further, you'll also see a section to upload any materials that your application may be missing. Just select the document type, choose the file, and click Upload to have something attached to your application. Remember, Agnes Scott does allow you to self-report test scores using this feature. There's a lot more to explore, including stories from current Scotties, information on financial aid and scholarships, and even upcoming events at Agnes. So go ahead and dig into your portal a little bit more. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon.